Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So in this video we will be doing this reading, the cane toad in Australia. So that reading was part of IELTS exam in India and as well as my neighboring country also. So that was held on 9th March. So I will not be reading anything from here. Definitely, as I told you earlier also, we will be reading all these types of question. First we will take a look that what type of questions we have given. So first type of question is list of heading, and second type of question, just a minute, and second type of question we have which paragraph offer the information on the following ideas, means which section contains the following information, these four questions. And the last type of question is fill in the blanks, complete each of the following statements with the help of this box. This is the box. Okay, so let's start with the first type of question, that is list of heading. So before reading all the headings, please read the instructions. It's important, within 1 or 2 seconds just give attention to the instructions, because if you ignore these instructions, definitely you may end up with the wrong kind of questions. So let's read it. So from the list of headings below 1 to 10 number, choose the most suitable headings for paragraphs B to G. And if you ignore these instructions, definitely you will probably wasting your time in finding a heading for A number paragraph. Already they have given A number paragraph heading, that is 5th number, they have taken it. So it means 5th number we will just take out from our list. Okay, now list of heading, how to attempt these questions. Definitely first we will read all the list of all the options, these headings, and we will go to paragraph. From there we will read and then come back again to the headings. Another method is first you read first paragraph, means A to already they have solved it, so definitely we will read B paragraph and then come to match any headings if something is matching. Okay, here definitely B, C, D, E, F, G. For each paragraph you have to choose one option. Okay, this is list of heading, means for each question you have to give one heading. So let's read it, all the options. First one is diet. Diet means food related thing, maybe their habitat means living condition, and like not condition, their homes, their home and all, because they are going to talk about toad in Australia. Pollution effects, so pollution means some environmental and some animals, all everything is relating to pollution when they are talking about species, when they are talking about pollution, atmosphere and all. Danger, some risk may be there in any paragraph. Food for snakes, definitely this is understandable, snakes. And identification and captivity, and distribution, environmental impacts. Okay, impacts, and these two are looking like same. Pollution effects, but here pollution effects they are talking, here environmental impacts. So environmental means everything it will include, here all related to pollution and all. Okay, now let's read not A paragraph, we will read B paragraph. Let's read it. I will show you the paragraph as well as list of heading, you do it with me. Now this is my B paragraph, you also read it, and when you will be reading the paragraph, please do your homework for the next type of question side by side. I mean to say, you have to underline, you have to just circle the things, whatever you think these are the keywords that can be helpful for finding location in the next type of question in the same reading passage. Okay, so cane toads are large, heavily built at amphibians with dry watery skin. They have a bony head, over their eyes are bony nudges, meet the nose. They sit upright and move in short rapid hops. Their hind feet, it means here they are talking about the features of this cane toads. Okay, so one more line we can read. Adult cane toads have large swellings, the glands on each shoulder. It means we will not read it now. And here also you can read it. Their mating call is long, loud, purring, I don't know what is this. Cane toad spawn is exclusive in Australia. It is laid in long strings of transparent jelly enclosing double rows of eggs. The tangles in dense around water plants, hangs in ropey strands if picked. Okay, now it means what we have understood about this paragraph, that they are talking about some characteristic of this cane toad, and here they are talking about their lifestyle, how they bear the eggs and all. Okay, female and these things. Let's read the options. So for diet, so I don't think so, they are not talking about any diet. Habitat also, they are not talking about any habitat. Pollution effect is also not there. Danger is also not there. Food for snakes word is also not there. Identification there, yes. Heavily, so they are just talking about what kind of things they can do it, and their characteristic and all. I think this is matching, but let's read other one. Captivity, norm, distribution, and no, so this is only matching. So for paragraph B, only this. Identification means they are just giving some identification, what kind of cane toads are there. They are talking about their body features and all, how they bear babies and all, so means eggs and all. So that's the thing. Now C paragraph. So what C paragraph is saying, let's read it. The natural range of cane toads extends from southern United States to tropical South America. Okay, extends from means some area they are talking about. In cane toads occur throughout the eastern and northern Queensland and have extended their range to the river catchment. So it means, what do you understand from this paragraph? They are talking about from where the natural range means, I think they are talking about their habitat, or they are talking about their area from where they have just come out. So let's read it. Diet is not there, habitat is not there, pollution effect is not there, danger is not there, snakes is not there, identification is not there, captivity is not there. In I think then this distribution. Okay, the natural range of cane toads extend from this to this. In 2000, toads occurred throughout the eastern and northern half of Queensland and extended. So it means, yeah, they are talking about their distribution, from where to where they were talking about. So here 9th we can just put it. Now C paragraph, I will show it to you. Let's see C paragraph. Cane toads tolerate a broad range of environmental, now environmental word is there, see this, and climatic conditions, and appear to be able to adjust and survive in almost any environmental system. Okay, tolerate a broad range of environmental and climatic condition and appear to be able to adjust and survive in almost any environmental system, environments including sea water for short periods of time. This is to large extent explain our success in spreading in Australia. Are found in environment ranging, okay, see, they can survive in sand dunes, coastal head to margins of rainforest, means this line is saying that what kind of their living conditions. So if you match word to word, I will show you the here environmental impacts they are talking. Environmental word is there, but impacts they are not talking any impact. They are just saying tolerate a broad range of environmental and climatic conditions, appear to be able to adjust and survive in almost any environment system. So this is not impact. This is not impact. What we can see? Habitat. Okay. So we can go D paragraph, habitat. They are living, how they live. They can live in sand dunes, coastal area, sea water, everywhere. Now E paragraph. Let's see. Cane toads almost eat almost anything they can swallow, including pet food, carrion, household scraps and all. It means they are talking about diet. So we will just go with this. But yes, we will read it full paragraph. I will show it to you. Now see this full paragraph, I am showing it to you. So here food consists of living within 1 minute. Please read full paragraph because this is small. Bugs are eaten in abundance. Marine snails, toads, native frogs, small Snakes, small mammals are occasionally eaten by cane toads. Snakes word is there. So is it matching with that heading? Okay. Organic matter. So we know it, that is right. Let's match the snake word also. Food for snake. Are they talking about food for snakes? Only they are talking what they are talking. Bugs are eaten in abundance and all. Small snakes and small mammals are occasionally eaten by cane toads. It means no, this is not food for snakes. So this we can cut it. Okay. Now F paragraph. For E paragraph we have selected the first one, that is diet. Okay. Now F paragraph, please read it. Cane toads were introduced to Australia to eat French, this beetle, and grey beetle. The white larvae of these beetles eat the roots of sugarcane or kill or stunt the plants. The Australian Bureau of Sugar Experimental Stations imported 100 toads from Hawaii. To this, the toads breed quickly and more than 3,000 were released in sugarcane plantation in this. At that time, some naturalists, is it matching with someone? Let's find it. Okay, diet we have done. Now habitat, pollution effects. Pollution, are they talking about pollution? We have to find. Danger, identification, we have captivity, environmental impact. Only main, danger, third, and this we have and captivity also. Toads were introduced to this. These eat the white larvae of these beetles eat roots of sugarcane, kill or stunt the plants. It means they are when they were introduced, they were just eating all the plants and all. Okay, let's read some more lines. At that time, some naturalist scientists warned of the dangers of liberating cane toads in Australia. Their protests resulted in a brief on the release of toads, but releases resumed in this. Protesters were right. Cane toads compete for resources of native animals like food, which affects native populations. Secondly, cane toads don't have as many established predators as native animals, so their populations grow quickly. Finally, some native animals who would normally feed on frogs try to eat toads and get poisoned. Okay, so if you just look at these first two sentences, definitely they are going white larvae of these beetles eat roots of sugar and all. The Australian imported thousands. Okay, what effect they had done after that? Cane toads compete for resources of native animals like food. So let's read it. So pollution effect, definitely it is not. Okay, danger kind of word was there. Danger, where danger? I have just read danger. Yeah, danger word was there. Okay, but food for snakes, no. Captivity is also not there. So environmental impact, because they had done some problem with native animals and human populations also. So we can just go with environmental impacts, and keep in mind with danger also, because last line was talking about danger and they were talking about when they were introduced in fields, so something they had done wrong thing, means danger were there. So we will just keep two answers for this and later on we will just decide fourth number also and 10th number also. Okay, let's decide G paragraph also. Read it with me. Okay, all the stages of cane toad's life cycle are poisonous. Okay, no humans have died in Australia from cane toad poison, but overseas people have died after eating toads, and even soup from boiled eggs. Cane toads also poisonous to pets in Hawaii. Up to 50 dogs have it means they are danger to animals, to human beings. I will not read anything, and death is also there. May occur by cardiac arrest within 15 minutes. A cane toad responds to threat by turning side on its. So many things they have given. So I will just poison is also there. So it means this is danger. So this danger will come with this fourth number. Here 10th will come. Okay. Now next question. Now see the next questions. Question number 7 to 10. And reading passage, this has 7 paragraphs A to G. Which paragraphs offer information on the following ideas? Write the appropriate letters A to G in boxes 7 to 10 on your answer sheet. Okay, so male cane toads grow. So how to do these questions? Which section contains the following information? 4 options are there and we have to select paragraph name. This information where we can find in any paragraph, and sometimes it is possible that we may get 2 or 3 information in one paragraph. Then answer all information question number will carry answer for one paragraph name. So here let's read it and understand and come out with keywords. Those keywords will just give us idea that these keywords we were having in some paragraph, that we have already read all the passage, full passage. Male word, I know female they were talking in some paragraph. Cane toads grow, this word dung, mating periods. Okay, so yes, this was in second, I think, where they were talking about features of this animal. I think they were talking about this. The cane toad's unique way of eggs also we know in the same paragraph, eggs were also there. Opposition to why introduction, opposition to why introduction of cane toads, this also we know it. Some opposition people were scientists were opposing when they were just releasing toads in fields. Okay, the danger of eating cane toads eggs, so this also we know it. In the last paragraph they were talking about danger. So that's why when you are reading paragraphs for first type of question, please read it and just come out with this thing, keywords. So we know they were talking about mating periods in second paragraph, B paragraph. Let's find it, and X also. So this is, see this is B paragraph. See this B paragraph, here they were talking about females. It means male may be there around male cane toads. So we were looking for on their first fingers help them female while mating. So this word was also there and this is also there. It means this information, male cane toads grow this during mating period. See this, they're mating. So this same thing they are talking. So no need to go into too details. So here I will just put B number. And here also we know it, laying eggs in Australia. Cane toads unique way of laying eggs in Australia. So same in this, it is laid in their, okay, cane toads spawn is exclusive in India. It means the unique way of laying eggs in Australia, because here they are talking, it is laid in long strings of transparent jelly enclosing double rows of all these things they have written. So again B paragraph will come. And where they were talking opposition to introduction of cane toads in Australia, in second last paragraph, I will show it to you. See this, they are talking about opposition here. Australian sugar experimental station imported 100,000 from Hawaii. The toads breed quickly and more than 3,000 released in north of. Okay, at that time some naturalists and scientists warned of the dangers of liberating cane toads in Australia. The protest, so see this protest, opposition. Why introduction? Introduction is here. See this. Here they are talking about introduction when they imported 100 toads from this and all these things. So this is introduction they are talking about. So we will just write F paragraph in front of 9 number. Opposition, I have shown it to you. Opposition protests about introduction of cane toads in Australia. Okay, danger. So danger they were talking, danger of eating boiled eggs, toads eggs. So danger they were talking in last paragraph. So we will just apply this G paragraph. Okay.